Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalite.in. Friends, in this video we're going to see job openings for the post of Junior Officer Production Department, and the requisition ID is 69549 and the job location is Goa. So this job opening is from the company Cipla. So let us see the complete details. So coming to the department is production manufacturing, and the employment is a full-time employment. So coming to the job purpose, to monitor and execute the production activities in the area during the shift by maintaining current good manufacturing practices and safety norms for achieving the production targets. Friends, coming to the educational qualification, they are looking for candidates with bachelor's in pharmacy. So you must have minimum 2 years of experience in the pharmaceutical manufacturing or production department. And coming to the competencies or skills, you need to have good communication skills, likely potential for growth, and technical knowledge, pharma domain knowledge, safety awareness, and people management skills, and attitude, qualification fitment, sales drive, personal traits. So these are some of the qualifications that you need, and also team player, outspoken, maturity level, etc. So coming to the job location, which is Goa, you need to work in shift hours. So these are the complete details my dear friends. If you are interested, you can apply for this job opening, and I will provide the link in the description of the video. From there you can apply for this job opening. So thank you my dear friends. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the like button for getting regular job updates. I hope you like the information. You can also share this information with your friends, those who want to shift to a new company having minimum of 2 years of experience in the relevant field, that is production manufacturing. Thank you.